An upper area court sitting in Abuja, Nigeria's capital, has issued criminal summons against Shell Petroleum Development Company of Nigeria and 7 of its top executives over allegations of stealing 16 million barrels of crude oil through the use of a fraudulent and unapproved metering system. The accused persons are Chibueze Uduanochie, Simon Ruddy, Bashir Bello, Osagie Okunbor, Weli, Toyin Olagunji, and Captain Callium Finlayson. The summons, dated February 25th, was issued and signed by Honourable Judge Gambo Garba of Upper Area Court sitting in Zuba, Abuja. Specifically, the court ordered Shell Petroleum Company and its 7 executives to appear before it on March 2nd to answer the charge leveled against them by the complainant. The suit is marked DC/CR/200/2021 and was filed by the African Initiative Against Abuse of Public Trust.
It's called a criminal summon against them, and the investigation that led to unravel this crime against Nigerian nation, sabotage, economic sabotage, was based on a petition by these local oil companies to the DPR, which is an agency of the federal government in charge of the regulation of the activities of the IOCs and the local oil companies. And the investigation, a detailed investigation was carried out and discovered that over the years, specifically in 2006 and 2007, that Shell, in collaboration with their top executives, has siphoned over 16 million barrels of crude oil belonging to these local indigenous oil companies. And based on the findings by the DPR, the Shell have been fined and they have admitted of this fraud. They have admitted in their letter and they have promised even to refund the oil back to the indigenous oil companies. But because of the fact that the DPR, which is an agency of the government that regulates the activities of the Shell and also the Nigeria oil companies, has no prosecutorial power to initiate a criminal prosecution against this sabotage to the Nigeria economy. This is our client, which has, as one of his core mandates and objective, to fight both corporate and official corruption in Nigeria, have approached this court to do the needful.
From the suit, the group alleged that as operators of the Bonny terminal, Shell installed an unapproved metering system, which it claimed was temporary, and which it manipulated to deliberately understate the volume of crude oil that was injected to the terminal, thereby shortchanging the local oil companies, owners of the oil, and the federal government the revenue due to them. The oil companies include Bello Oil, Eroton, AITO, and News Cross. Consequently, the group seeks an order of court convicting the Shell executives for the criminal act of conspiracy, theft, and cheating, which are in violation of sections 97, 287, and 323 of the Penal Code, Law Cap 89 of the Northern Nigeria 1963. From the court papers, the group alleged that the Department of Petroleum Resources has conducted investigations into the allegations and has indicted Shell Petroleum Development Company.
We have the instruction and we have the record, the documents from the investigation of the DPR that they employed a fraudulent metering system through which this theft was carried out. And this metering system we are talking about is an unapproved metering system, a metering system that is forbidden by our laws, specifically Part 1, Section 2D of Mineral Oil Safety Regulation issued by the DPR, which Shell is aware. And also Section 51 of Petroleum Act.
They also allege that Shell has admitted to having cheated the companies of about 2 million barrels and also committed to refund the crude to the companies. The group said they will be pressing for the maximum punishment, which is 6 months in jail for conspiracy, 5 years for theft, and 5 years for cheating. Oluwatobi Enitan reporting for Viable TV.